If you're using the X or Twitter application, sometimes your X or Twitter application will be in dark mode. Sometimes you may change your phone's settings to light mode, but this application's settings will not change to light mode. That's because you want to change those things in the X application. In this video we'll be telling you about how to disable light mode on the X or Twitter application. For this, open the X application. After that, above you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, here you can see the settings and privacy option. Click on settings and privacy. When you click on that, here you can see accessibility, display and languages. Click on this option. When you click on that, here you can see the display option. Click on display. When you click on that, here you can see this is set to night. You want to change that to day. When you change that to day, this will change to light mode. And here one more option is the system. If you set it to system, if your phone is in light mode, this application will also be in light mode, but if your phone is in dark mode, it will be in dark mode. So if you want to completely disable this night mode, you can select day. After that every time this application will be in night mode. So this way you can easily turn off dark mode on the X or Twitter application. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.